It's a nice little package. So there's the So here you go. So here's the TTX Rail Pulling Experts. It's by Athens and has a TTX logo. Let me zoom in closer a bit. So you got a TTX Rail Car Pulling Experts. Detail here, detail on the door, and then the logo right there, and the road. I got a handbrakes, ladders, detail here, detail here, detail here. And basically it's the same thing as the other side, but mirror identical. And then metal wheels, and then the coupling. Always nice to have a good couplings.
Oh, was that your picture?
And then, yeah, all the roll. It rolls efficiently. Looks like brand new. Like somebody hardly used it. So yeah. It's a nice box car. Next up is the, so here's, it's on, there's no box, original box for it, unfortunately. So I'm guessing this is Athens as well, or scale trains, or alters. But this is the old Milwaukee Road, MILW 56665. Not much detail there, but like the weathering detail, unless it's a, never mind, it's a dust. So yeah, and that it's pretty much identical. So nothing much about it. So there's that. And then next up is the old Burlington route, CP and Q, and has a Burlington logo, Burlington route. That's an oldie, and then you got a couple of details right there, and then you got a similar there, except this one, that's a price sticker, and then they got a handheld brakes, and then yep, it's a good condition. It's just a little scratch, but other than that, it just looks fine. I don't know, some type of detail work. And then the finally, but certainly the least, not the least, is the Atlas Ready to Roll Run rolling stock, which is another version of the green hopper. Look at this. Old Toledo. That's a pretty nice one. It's another green hopper. It's American Horses Plastic Division. I think it's not a grain facility after all. So got a detail here, a logo right there, FG logo. Go to the other side. Same thing. ACFX. And then what else is in this box? And then the coupling. Extra couplings. Look at that. That's pretty for a price. So it is 20 bucks. I spent 20 bucks on that thing, which is not terribly expensive. Like the brand new ones are like $45. If it's brand new, like from a hobby store or whatever. That's from a train shed. So this is new this year. And now the best part of the collection is, and now for this Athens realistic scale blueprints. This is the first time having a blueprints. I'm not sure about you guys collecting model trains, but I don't know much about blueprints. Let me know in the comments if you are familiar with this. So, and then I got you this. This is Norfolk Southern X Southern, which it has a Southern aspect right there. GP50 locomotive. It's a pretty nice, fair amount of details. Like, it's a nice locomotive. Like, such a great condition. A little dusty, but it's a Norfolk Southern 7093 is the road plate number. And then wish there's a 7093 on that one and that one. Make it more realistic. And then couplings are good. No missing pieces or damaged piece, which is good. And then I paid, where is it? Where's that box? So for this I paid, hold on just a second. And I paid, they're both $25. So they're both 25 bucks, which again, it's not bad. And it's the first time having a brand new locomotive from for that. And then lastly, but certainly not the least, Walter's Train Line. Deluxe ready to run HO scale model railroading equipment. Again, 25. And then again, it was $40, but it changed it to 25, which is again not too bad. And then what we got here, and we got a locomotive, and I believe it's the, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I believe it's GP50 as well, but look at the size comparison of this thing. Like the front is like different. Plus it's a ex Norfolk Southern unit. NW 2003. It's a Operation Lifesaver. Another Operation Lifesaver. Look, live, and listen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then have a look at this. Like comparison to the Norfolk and Western SD40-2 model. Look at this. They're so small. Like, this is longer comparison. Like, take a look at this. That's longer. The Norfolk and Western, Chicago Northwestern comparison with GP50. Man, that's pretty much small. So, alrighty. So, we got this reviewed. It's a nice haul. It's the first haul of the season of the railroading. So, let's get further ado. Let's get right to the train room and head to the tracks and see how it works. See you there. Alright guys, we made it to the train room, so let's get further ado. Let's test these things out. So right now I got the whole train set up. Originally this one was leading, so I'm going to take number 7093 a test, and then 2003 Operation Lifesaver unit. So let's just move my cars to the side and see. It will one. Sure hope so. So, all right, let's do this. Here she goes. So far, no problems. Do it backwards. Yeah, she runs pretty smooth. Nice. Kind of shocked. That is shocking.